Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Logging 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix password incorrect error on Gmail. So if you also want to fix password incorrect error on Gmail, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Sometimes you'll see a password incorrect error when you sign into Google with a third-party app. If you've entered your password correctly but you're still getting this error, you might need to update the application. So for updating the application, what you have to do is go to Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar. Now type in Gmail. You can see over here Gmail application will appear. All you have to do is tap on it. Now here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If your application is not up to date, you'll be able to see the update option over here. All you have to do is tap on it. After you update the application, your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix password incorrect error on Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.